Hello बच्चों, welcome to our colorful world.
Today we are going to learn about something super fun. Colors!
Did you know there are some special colors called primary colors? Primary colors are special because we cannot make them by mixing other colors. There are 3 primary colors: red, blue, and yellow. Repeat after me. Red, blue, yellow. Great job!
Now comes the magic part!
When we mix 2 primary colors, we get new colors called secondary colors. Hello, little artists! Today we are going to do some color magic! Look at this beautiful blue color. And here we have bright yellow. Now I have a question for you. What do you think will happen if we mix blue and yellow together? Let's find out!
Wow! Look carefully! The blue and yellow are mixing. Ah!
It turned into green! Yes, bachcho, when we mix blue and yellow, we get green!
Blue plus yellow is equal to green.
Are you ready for more color magic? Look at this bright red color! And here is sunny yellow! Now tell me, what do you think will happen if we mix red and yellow together? Let's try it! Wow! Can you see the new color forming? Red plus yellow, orange. It's orange! Yes! Red plus yellow, it's orange!
So cute!
Look at this strong red color and this cool blue color. Now think carefully. What will happen if we mix red and blue together? Let's do the magic! Wow! Can you see that beautiful new color? It's purple! Blue plus red? Purple! There are 3 primary colors: red, blue, and yellow.
Blue plus yellow is equal to green.
Red plus yellow, it's orange! Blue plus red, purple! Thanks for watching. Bye! See you again!
Coming, I'ma send you to your mama. It's the whip, quick clip that the guns out. Dropping